Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are gonna unbox a Shark Tank product. అయితే మీరు అనుకుంటుండొచ్చు షార్క్ ట్యాంక్లో అన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, దాంట్లో ఏం అన్బాక్స్ చేస్తుంది వీడియో అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ హ్యామర్ సారీ హ్యామర్ హ్యామర్ బ్యాష్ మ్యాక్స్ హెడ్ ఫోన్స్. సో లెట్స్ బిగిన్ ద అన్బాక్సింగ్. So let's unbox the Hammer Bash Max headphones. So the product comes with some nice boxes which do feel premium, and the cover says Hammer feel the premium. It comes with some specifications which we'll talk in the video, and the MRP on the box is 8,245 rupees, but I got it for around 3k on the official website itself. So do check it out, and as I used it before doing this review, I felt it is the perfect product for 3,000 rupees, and in the video I'll keep telling you why. So that's it on the cover. There are a few specifications, and here is the actual box. So let's unbox it. So the box comes with very few things. First is the headphones, obviously, and when I first saw the headphones, I loved this touchpad design, and I like this design because it felt little different. It is sort of minimalistic but also unique. And apart from the headphones, the box has a charging cable and also a user manual and some other paper, the folding instructions. So that's it in the box. It comes with three things: few papers, the charging cable, and the headphones. So we'll see how the headphones are. So here are the Hammer Bash Max headphones. So talking about the headphones, first things first, as I told you guys, I like this design. I mean, it went with my personal liking. And the second thing I noticed as soon as I opened the box is the plastic body. So as you can see, the extenders, the ear cups, and most of the thing is made up of plastic. So we should check how the quality of the plastic is. And the feature I fell in love as soon as I started using it is the touch, because it comes very handy when you're walking or jogging and stuff. And in the beginning it is little tough using it, but once I got used to it, I instantly fell in love with it. And the headphones come with some good cushioning and some nice textures. So talking about the overall product, I would rate it around 8 or 9 on 10, because I felt for the price point, the premium feel it has and the sound quality is perfect. So let's know about everything in detail. So firstly, talking about the specifications, these headphones come with a 40mm driver powered by a 500 mAh battery, which takes 3 hours to charge and provides a playback time of 18 hours. And these headphones come with Bluetooth version 5.3, providing a 10 meters range, which I feel is perfect at this price point. So talking about the overall feel of the product, they do feel premium as it's written on the box. I mean, they are lightweight, and they also come with this amazing texture and leather cushioning, which adds to the overall feel. And when you wear them also, the cushions completely cover your ears, providing a proper on the ear experience, and they also provide some nice noise isolation, so you don't get too many sounds from your surrounding. And talking about the body and stuff, I felt the finishing of the plastic is perfect, but the rigidity and the strength could be improved a little bit, so that this product becomes more sturdy for long term usage. So talking about the performance, I felt these headphones are perfect for someone who loves bass, or for someone who loves, some good thumpy music, because I use them for 5 hours, for listening to music, for talking calls, and for some recording stuff. And I realized that, when I was listening to music, I felt the 40 drivers are more onto the lows, so it provides a little extra thump or little extra bass, and the vocals won't be that audible. So for someone who loves bass, these are the perfect headphones, and for someone who loves mids or the overall sound, then I think you should use a equalizer with it. And for professional purposes, I don't think this will be able to do that well, because the mic quality is okay. I mean, it comes with a single mic which provides some good noise cancellation for calls, but for for professional recording and stuff, I don't think it works that well. And for gaming also, it has little lag which can be fixed with few settings, but again, that's a hassle. So do, test it if you can, and then take it if you're taking it for professional purposes. But for general use, I think it is a perfect product, and I would definitely recommend it. So guys, currently I'm in my balcony, and I am sure you'll be hearing a ton of noise from outside. So first, we'll listen to the mic on my phone and then on the headphones. So we'll test it. So guys, currently I'm recording through the headphones mic, and Miki Patke difference tells me today. So there's little wind outside, and there are also too many noises. So wind na melondo. So I think difference tells me today, but నాకు ఇంకా తెలీదు because I editing లో వినాలి. So yeah, I'll also play the difference simultaneously, phone and headphones, so that you'll have a better idea. And that's it for the difference. Comments lo cheppandi ela undo, which one did you like, the phone or the headphones, and we'll get back into the room. So for the final review of the product, I would rate it a 9 on 10. So basically, it lost at 1 point because of few minor things like extra bass and, the mic clarity and stuff. So basically, yesterday I used it for 5 hours straight for gaming, for calls, for listening to music and stuff. So for general purposes like listening to music and all, it was perfect. But when I was talking on a call, the audio of the other person wasn't that clear, because the 40 drivers used are a little onto the bassier side, as I mentioned. So the voice isn't that clear, and it could have had a secondary microphone which enhances our audio quality, and it could have provided some noise cancellation and stuff. So that is one small flaw I felt. And for general purpose, as I mentioned, this is the perfect headphone, and it is definitely recommended. So do check it out, and I hope you guys like this video. If you want more such unboxing and reviews, then do let me know in the comment section. Do like it, and do share, and do subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.